In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Chatgpt for beginners. By the end of this tutorial, you'll feel comfortable navigating this amazing AI tool. So let's get started. First things first, you'll need to open Chatgpt. You can access it via your web browser and simply type in Chatgpt on your search engine, which should lead you to OpenAI's platform. Once there, it's time to either log in if you already have an account or create a new one if you don't. Just follow the prompts to register, which might include verifying your email address and setting up a password. Now that your account is ready, you're set to start a new chat. Look for the prompt or icon that might say New Chat and click on it. This opens up the chat interface where all the fun begins. Here, you'll type your question or prompt into the chat box. For example, you could ask, "What is the weather like today?" or something more specific depending on your needs. This leads us to a crucial point, the importance of being specific with your prompts. Instead of asking something broad like, "Tell me about history," narrow your focus to something like, "Tell me about the history of the Renaissance period." The more detailed your prompt, the better response you'll get from Chatgpt. If the initial response you receive doesn't fully meet your needs, or if you think of something else to ask, don't hesitate to send follow-up questions or requests. This interactive process allows you to refine your inquiries and get the information or assistance you need. It's a fantastic way to learn more or clarify any doubts you might have. Now let's talk about using this information wisely. Always, and we can't stress this enough, cross-check critical information against trusted sources. While Chatgpt provides quick and valuable insights, verifying facts ensures that you are well-informed and accurate in your understanding or decision-making. On a very important note, remember to keep all personal and sensitive information out of your chats. This means not sharing anything like passwords, phone numbers, or any other private data. Doing so helps protect your privacy and ensures a safe experience for everyone involved. And there you have it. You're now equipped with the basics of using Chatgpt as a beginner. It's a powerful tool, and with these tips, you'll be able to explore and benefit from it confidently. Thank you for watching, and happy chatting.